welcome back. I'm Olivia, and as you can probably tell, I am in my new bedroom. We have just recently moved, and this gives me an amazing opportunity to once again start making videos. I absolutely love making YouTube videos. It's one of my favorite things in the world, and now that I have my own space to work in, this will give me an ample opportunity. I'm so excited for what is going on today. Today I'm going to be transforming into a witch for Halloween. It's going to be a Halloween costume sort of thing. It's going to be kind of DIY because I do not have all the things I need. I'll probably be going to Walmart. I'll show you guys the whole adventure there. And then afterwards I will have a tutorial on everything that I'm going to be doing. And you guys will see this transformed into the witch you all want to be. So tune in and see how this whole process goes. Hopefully good. I've got a witch hat, a bald cap, some eyelashes, and a choker. I found what I was looking for and more. The Halloween section is addicting. From Walmart, I have gotten all the things I need, and I actually took the liberty and did my face makeup before I came on camera, so you guys did not have to sit through and watch me redo my face makeup because I have done makeup before in videos. So I'm just going to be showing you what I do with my eyes and face and eyebrows and all of that good stuff. So I'm just gonna go on and Alright, for my eyebrows, I'm going to be taking the original Nudes palette from Maybelline. I know, cheap, but it has the colors that I need for my eyebrows. And I'm going to be taking this light brown shade and possibly ombreing it into a slight amount of black towards the end. I don't know yet. But I also have concealer in which I just got all over my all over my pants on this NYX palette. And my two brushes, which are just two different angled brushes that I'm going to be using for my eyebrows. Alright, to start off with, I'm just going to be dipping into this brown shade, getting a fair amount of it onto my brush, and I need a mirror. Alright, I have my mirror now, so I'm going to be taking that and just reshaping my brow, making sure it's fairly dark. I've already got makeup from today on, so I do not have to worry about finding my shape as I already have it. I'm just more focusing on making sure my brows are slightly darker because this look is going to be dark. It's a Halloween look. It's going to be slightly dramatic, more dramatic than my makeup will usually be. So I'm just going to continue filling that in until I get the darkness that I want. And make sure when you're doing this, you leave this front part open because you still want it to look natural and nice and not so blocky. But I will continue this and then do my other eyebrow and I will come back. Alright, as you can see, I have refilled in my eyebrows with the dark brown shade. I don't know what that was, oh my god. Anyway, I have refilled in my brows with the dark brown shade and now I'm going to be taking a little bit of this black over here and I'm going to be tapering it in at the end to just give it a slightly more dramatic look, and I will show you what I am doing right now. I'm scared to put this on my eyebrow brush because this is my everyday eyebrow brush, but you know, we're gonna do it. So I'm going to take it just towards the end where the eyebrow ends and making sure it's like ombre. You can't tell what I did there. Okay. Alright, I've touched them both up a little bit, and as you can tell, they're slightly darker towards the end. And now, my favorite part of all time, cleaning them up with concealer. I know everybody loves doing this. I love doing it. It's my favorite next to putting on highlight. So I'm going to do that for you guys real quick. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the concealer that I have at the bottom of this palette, making sure my brush is smoothed out to how it's angled, and just dipping in it and carving them brows out. You want to make sure you're staying towards the shape that you already have and making the point like extra pointy to give it that more dramatic look or whatever. I love having very pointy eyebrows. I think it just makes it look slightly more fierce. But you know, it's all up for preference. Now that's kind of what I'm talking about. I'm going to do the rest of my eyebrows and come back and show you exactly what I mean. Princess wants to be in the video as well. Hey, say hi. I don't know. I just had a mini heart attack because I thought my phone stopped recording and didn't save what I just previously recorded. But it did. And these are the brows that I have carved out. They're not the best. I am not a brow expert, but they do look fairly okay. Now I'm going to be moving on to eye makeup, which I'm very excited about. Disclaimer, I happen to not know exactly how to do eyeshadow. I've been learning through Jeffree Star, James Charles, Beauty Guru tutorials, and I'm still not the greatest, so if you're looking for actual recommendations on how to do eyeshadow, I'm probably not the person for you. But I do happen to have Morphe palettes. This is the Morphe 24G Grand Glam palette, and it is beautiful. It has some of the colors that I would like to put on my eyes, and those colors happen to be Dream and Spiffy. And I also have another Morphe palette over here. I don't know what this one is because I threw away the packaging, but it has an array of beautiful colors, and it also has some colors that I would like to use on my eyeballs, which happens to be this beautiful, like, orange, black, sparkly color. It does not have a name, I'm sorry. And maybe one of these, like, brown tones over here. I'm not sure yet. I will update you as I figure my stuff out. Alright, so I'm going to be dipping into that Dream shade I previously talked about, and I'm going to demonstrate on my one eye, my right eye, with the Luxie 249 brush. It's the only fancy brush I have. I got it in that one thing that you get shipped every month or whatever that's called. I got it in that. And so I'm going to be dipping into that and showing you guys what I'm doing. I'm going to get a little up close and personal. I'm just going to be taking it and spreading it along here. Wow, my camera is not doing me justice right now. I'm basically just going to be covering the entire lid with it, and it looks very beautiful in real life, but my camera is shit. So basically what the deal is, I have a shitty Android phone. I'm broke, so my camera is not doing me very good right now, but I'm going to continue anyway because I've put way too much effort into this. I'm going to be dipping into this shade right here, the Spiffy one from the Morphe palette I first showed you. Tap off that excess and put it over here. I'm not exactly sure what the technical term for this is. Oops. And kind of spread it along the crease just to deepen that crease a little bit. It's going to look messy because I suck at makeup. And just kind of make sure it doesn't look like shit, although it probably will. Now I'm going to be taking this cool orange, that bronze, I think bronze color, and putting it in my crease and underneath my eye with the smaller part of the Luxie brush. It's going to look weird because I suck at makeup. In my crease, which gives it a nice little definition line, and then take it and put it underneath my eye, which is fun, like that. Oh Lord, I messed up. Oh Lord. I fixed up my makeup a little bit and changed around the lighting, moved the camera back. It looks slightly better from here, and now it's time for these fierce lashes that I got from Walmart. They were like $3, so let's hope they actually even work, which would be amazing if they did, and I cannot open this package. Alright, I know this is a sin in the BeauTuber community, but I put on my mascara after I put on my lashes. I know, big shocker, but I've got them trimmed down now, and I'm going to put on some Duo lash glue, and I'll see you in a second. Duo, this is me ASMR. Ooh, shit. These are bit too big for my eyeballs, but we'll work with them. Holy shit balls. Okay, I now feel significantly better about how my makeup has turned out. Lashes really improve everything, but now I have my Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. Everybody should already know that. This is like one of the most popular mascaras in the world. And I'm just going to mascara my lashes into my other lashes. Good explanation there, Olivia. Good explanation. But it's basically just so they like mold together and it doesn't look like you have two pairs of eyelashes, even though you do. And I'm going to put some on the bottom eyelashes so they match and don't look so dumb. I just poked myself in the eye. Ow! Alright, last but not least, the moment you've all been waiting for, highlighter. I have Luna highlighter by Luna and this weird brush, and I'm just going to take some, and I like putting my highlighter on my chin. Where are you? Honey, show up. Okay, there we go. On my chin, on my cupid's bow. Oh, we still have lipstick. On the tip of my nose and at the top of the bridge of my nose. Cheekbones, of course, are a must. And I love going over with highlight. Like, oh, I'm so extra when it comes to highlight. It's so beautiful. I'm going to put some on my forehead, under my eyebrows, in the corner of my eye, and the same for the other side of my face. And then bam, we're a highlighted goddess. Alright guys, this is the makeup all done. I think it will work really well with what I'm envisioning the outfit to look like. Very witchy, very like, ooh, enchanting, like, let me cast a spell on you. And I will go right away and put on my wig and put on my dress and put on my choker, and I will see you in a moment. I'm back in my full witchy outfit. I will show you exactly what I have on. That light is getting bright as frick. Okay, so I have my black wig, and I know what you're thinking. Oh my god, that wig is so bad. Girl, take that off. It looks hideous. But luckily, we have a witch hat to top it off. Look at that. A beautiful witch hat. And it covers the hairline, so you can't necessarily tell it's a wig right away. My grandma believed that it was real hair. I have a choker necklace that has a spider on it. I looked at it and I was like, that is very witchy. I have a tight-fitting black dress underneath a long lace dress, so it looks kind of like a little sexy, but at the same time conserved and beautiful. So this is my full witch costume. What do you guys think? And the makeup is all done. The wig was from Wish, the hat and the thing was from Walmart. These dresses I already owned, so this is a very DIY costume, and you guys can do it. I spent, what, 25 bucks on this costume? And it looks great. Personally, I believe that. Let me know if you have any suggestions as to what I can do differently. There's still some time before Halloween. And if you like it, I would love if you would give this video a thumbs up. I worked very, very hard on it, and I'm so glad to be back on YouTube. And I love reading comments as well. If you guys just want to comment, like, I don't know, tell me about your day or something, I would very much enjoy it. And last but not least, subscribe for more of me. I will be doing more makeup. I will hopefully be coming up with new ideas, vlogs, whatever. But I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!